Hello everyone, this is Grade 2, Module 8, Lesson 11 homework. For number 1 it says, for parts A, C, and E, identify the shaded area. So for A, I see that how many halves are shaded. It's definitely half because there's two pieces, and I see that one half is shaded. For the second one, it's still halves because there's two equal parts, but two of them are shaded, or both, or the whole thing, so two halves are shaded. Down below for C, because I'm going to try to do all of the parts for part 1 first, I see that there's 1, 2, 3, so we're thirds and only one of them are shaded. For the next one, it's 1, 2, 3 parts or thirds, and 2 are shaded. And I have 1, 2, 3 equal parts, and all 3 are shaded. And now we can take a look at B that says, circle the shape above that has shaded area that shows one hole. So which one has the whole thing shaded in? And that's going to be this one right here because both parts are shaded. This one only has one of the two. D is very similar. Circle the shape above that has a shaded area that shows one hole. Meaning the whole shape is shaded. Now, this whole shape is shaded, but that's not the whole thing. That's 1/3. So I need the whole shape to be shaded in. And that's not shaded. This one is open here on the top. It's not shaded, but this one, the whole thing is shaded in. So that's why I'll be circling that one. Now, down below, we have to do the same thing here for E, and that's identify the fourths this time. I have 4 equal parts, and one of them is shaded in. I still have 4 equal parts, but this time all 4 are grayed or shaded in. I still have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts, and this time these 3 are shaded. And this last one I still have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts, and I see I have 1 here and 2 fourths. And F says the same thing. Circle the shape above that has a shaded area that shows one hole, meaning the entire rectangle that's broken into 4 pieces, all 4 pieces are shaded. So the whole rectangle is shaded. Let's take a look at page 2. Now, over here, for 2, it says, what fraction do you need to color so that one hole is shaded? And we'll start in, I'll do half of these. So for the first one, I have 1/2 shaded and 1/2 not shaded. So I need 1/2 that I still have to shade. So we're talking about what's left to be shaded, and I still need to shade in that 1/2. Down below we have fourths here, and 1 of the fourth is shaded, and 3 of the fourths still need to be shaded. So I need to shade 3 fourths left. And then down on the last one, we'll take a look at F. And this one I see that I have 2 equal parts, so I'm talking about halves or halves, or half. I have 1 part shaded, and I still need to shade 1 of the half. So 1/2 still needs to be shaded. And that's what you'll do for B, D, and E, the ones we didn't do. You're looking to see what they're broken into, like B is thirds. And we have 1 shaded in, so what isn't shaded in? What still needs to be shaded? And lastly, for 3, complete the drawing to show one hole. This is, for A, this is 1/2. Draw one hole. So if this rectangle represents 1/2, I know that half means 2 parts. So I'm going to draw an identical one underneath it. Now that's one hole. B says this is 1/3. And when I hear third, I hear 3. And this is one of the 3. This rectangle. So that's one of the 3. So that's 2 of the 3. That's 3 of the 3, or one hole. And the last one says 1/4. So this is one of the 4th we have here. I need to draw 4 of them, or have 4 of them. So there's 2 of the 4, 3 of the 4, 4 of the 4. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the rest of your homework.